Good morning, students. Today we discuss the lesson that name was Daydreams. तुम्हा सर्वांना माहीत आहे की प्रत्येक ग्रामीण भागामध्ये शेतकरी वर्गामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची चर्चा होत असतात. या चर्चेमध्ये एक छोटंसं कुटुंब आहे. या कुटुंबामध्ये फक्त दोन व्यक्ती राहत असतात. ते म्हणजे फक्त वन हजबंड अँड सेकंड इज अ वाईफ. हे दोनच व्यक्ती वेगवेगळ्या विषयावरती ते डिस्कशन करत असतात आणि आपल्या जीवनामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे स्वप्न ते पाहत असतात. यापैकीच असं एक स्वप्न आहे की त्यांनी आपल्या शेतीशी संबंधित जो मुख्य व्यवसाय असतो त्याला एक जोडधंदा म्हणून त्यांनी एक व्यवसाय या व्यवसायात चर्चा करायचा त्यांनी प्रयत्न केला. आणि तो व्यवसाय करत असताना जे त्यांनी स्वप्न साकारलेलं होतं ते स्वप्न या का लेसनच्या माध्यमातून ते आपल्याला समजून घेऊया. ते स्वप्न नेमकं कोणतं होतं? Daydreams. Our lesson title is Daydreams. Listen, in a village there are the two persons. One small couple, there is two persons. One is a husband and second is a wife. This between the two persons discussion we have to explain in this lesson. First, we learn the first paragraph. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in an idle talk. One day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. This is the one passage. We discussed the first passage. Once there lived a couple. There is a one couple who spent a lot of time. Both are always discussing a lot of time in an ideal talk. They are talking so many topics, different type of topics they are discussed. And one day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. They discussed that if we get the one chance, then I will bring some money from someone and I will purchase some cows. A few cows we are purchasing, and when we are purchasing some cows, that time we will make the big business, and through the business we are collecting some money. We will earn some money and we are living very happily life. Such type they make the one dreams. That dreams we call the daydreams. They discuss about this planning. Then he said that if we get the chance, then I will bring some money from our friends and we are purchasing some few cows. For what purpose they are purchasing some cows? Because if we purchase some cows, then we will get the lot of money. Then we will earn the lot of money through this business. Therefore, both decide that we are purchasing some few cows. Listen, second paragraph. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There is no need to buy more cows, said the wife. Listen, the second paragraph, his wife said that if we are purchasing some cows, if we have to select some cows, if we decide that we want to take the business, that time we want to do the so many works. But that means a lot of work. We have to do a lot of work when we purchasing some cows. Second, you have to feed the cows. म्हणजे तुम्ही या जनावरांना चारा टाकावा लागेल. वॉक देम, बाथ देम, त्यांना फिरून आणावं लागेल. बाथ देम म्हणजे त्यांची आंघोळ करून द्यावं लागेल, म्हणजे त्यांना स्वच्छ करावं लागेल. काऊज नीड अ लॉट ऑफ लुकिंग आफ्टर वन काऊ. Means when we are purchasing the cow, that time we want to do the lot of work. That work is that you have to feed the cows, walk them, then bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. His wife said that we have to do a lot of work. therefore we didn't purchase the so many cows, or many cows we didn't purchase. We are purchasing only one cow, and one cow is an enough for us. There is no need to buy more cows, said the wife. His wife said that we have no need of many cows, we have only one cows, that cows is only enough for us. Who said that? Wife said to husband. Means on which topic they discuss? Both discuss only cows purchasing. If we are purchasing the cows, then we want to do the more works. If we do the more work, then we will earn the more monies. In this way, first and second paragraph we discuss. Then third paragraph, but think of all the milk we shall get if we buy more, said the husband. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Listen, but think of all the milk, but think of all the milk means when we are purchasing the more cows, that time we will get a more dahi, more butter, more ghee, more milk. That time what we will do? Listen, he said that we shall get if we buy more cows, said the husband. Husband said that when we are purchasing the more cows, that time we want to do more work, that time we will get more milk. Then that's true, the wife agreed. That time wife agreed, there will be so much milk that we can even plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Means we will get more dahi, more butter and more ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? Wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I shall use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi and one for butter. Listen, this wife said that when we will get much milk, that time we will get the much dahi, much butter and ghee, and we are putting in a special pot, milk for one pot, dahi for one pot, ghee for one pot. Means each and everything we are putting properly in a special pot. Then he said that the ghee I shall put in another jar. The ghee I shall put in another jar. Means we will put in a special jar. And I shall use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. And remaining parts, remaining dahi, remaining ghee, remaining milk, we are sending to my sister's home. Send milk to your sisters. Who said that? His wife said to husband. This wife said to husband, we are sending some remaining dahi, some remaining milk, some remaining curd, we are sending to my sister's home. Who said to you could send milk your sister? There will be a plenty of milk if we have so many cows. Why shouldn't I send it to my sisters? This husband said that if there are the more cows, then we will get the more dahi, more curd, more butter, more ghee. All these things we will get more, but these things we are not sending to your sister's home, we are sending to my sister's home. Who said that? Husband said that. Means all these things we are sending to my sister's home, not your sister's home. Who said to you? Means all these dahi, all this butter, all this ghee, all this milk, where you are sending? You didn't send to your sisters. I am sending all these things in my market. In this way, both the persons, means husband and wife, both they are discuss about the purchasing of the cows. Then they are discuss about this work. Then they discuss what we do about the milk, about the dahi, about the ghee, about the butter. Means what we'll do in the next type, such type of planning who had done by the two persons, that name was husband and wife, and they always discuss that the ideal topic. Which topic? Ideal topic. Many times they discuss all these many topics related to our careers. Mean those topics related are the career, such topic they always discuss, and therefore we call this couple. These only two couples. We discussed the last paragraph, means husband and wife, they are discuss about the milk. The husband said that you didn't send to your sister's home, we are sending into my market. He said that because we are going to sell it in the market, that's why I will decide what to do with all that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sisters, remember. This husband said that we are not sending this milk, butter, ghee, we didn't send to in your sister's home. I always send to in markets, means I sold all these things into the markets. Remember that I didn't send in your sister's home. He said that I shall see how you can stop me from sending a lot of full of milk to my dear sisters. I do all hard work running after the cows, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. The word is that wife exclaimed. Exclaim means shouted. Exclaim means shouted. Who shouted? Who shouted? Wife shouted. She said that I shall see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk. You cannot stop to me. You cannot stop to me when I am sending some remaining milk or ghee or dahi to our sister's home. No one can stop me. Who said that? Wife said that in an angrily manner. To my dear sister, I do all hard work running after the cows, so naturally. She said that I always do the hard work in my house, and when we are doing the hard work, that time we are selling all the things related to the milk, dahi, butter and ghee, and therefore no one can stop to me. I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me. If you just try to stopping me. If you try to stopping me, then I will send all this milk, dahi, butter and ghee into my sister's home. Therefore no one can stop, because we are always doing the hard work for the milk. Exclaim means shouted. Is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pots, and one by one his wife began to scream. When he said to that, when wife exclaimed, when wife shouted, that time this husband said that, is that so? Is that so? You cannot do this. Shouted the husband. Who was shouted? Husband shouted. Why husband shouted? Because wife said that I will send all this milk into my sister's home, because I always do the hard work, therefore. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. Who watched? Husband watched sometimes. He observed the conditions related to the milk, butter and ghee. His wife began to scream. His wife began to scream. When he was scream, when husband began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one, म्हणजे एका पाठोपाठ एक त्यांनी सगळ्या वस्तू घेण्याचा प्रयत्न केले. प्रत्येक पोट त्यांनी जबरदस्तीने घेतले, म्हणून त्यांची पत्नी किंचाळली. लिसन, हिज वाईफ बिगॅन टू स्क्रीम. हुज वाईफ बिगॅन टू स्क्रीम? हजबंड्स वाईफ. Gopal Bhatt, who was passing by, heard all the commotions and rushed inside. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. the husband and wife were both astonished to see these antics. Listen, Gopal Bhatt is an unknown person. No one can know that person. Gopal Bhatt is an unknown person in the village. He was coming here, who was passing by, heard all the commotions and rush. Means who is passing all the commotions and rush? Gopal Bhatt. Gopal Bhatt is wandering by the roads. When he heard what had happened, he picked up the stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish. Listen, when he heard the sounds of this wife, who heard the sound of the wife? Gopal Bhatt. Gopal Bhatt heard the sound of the wife. That time he had picked up a stick, stout stick, and came near the both persons, means husband and wife. That time that stood in a corner and began to swish. He was just standing near the corner. Who was standing? Gopal Bhatt was standing near the corner with taking a stout stick. The air and pound it on the floor, and he was moving our sticks at the corner. Who was moving the stick at the corner? Gopal Bhatt was moving the stick in the air. The husband and wife were both astonished to see these antics. Husband and wife both are shouting each other. They are shouted loudly. Who was discussed? Husband and wife, like in a quarreling. Both are quarreling about this milk matter. What are you doing? They inquired. They inquired, means Gopal Bhatt inquired, what are you doing here? What will happen here? Who asked? Gopal Bhatt asked both, means husband and wife. Move aside, said Gopal Bhatt. Move aside, means बाजूला हो. Move aside. Who said that? Move aside. Gopal Bhatt said to both, I have to drive away your greedy cows. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have left them wander, and now they have ruined my field, beans and cucumbers. Beans and cucumbers. This Gopal Bhatt said that both are when both are quarreling. That time they said that move aside. Move aside. I have to drive away your greedy cows. I have to drive away greedy cows. मी तुमच्या greedy cows म्हणजे लालची cows, लालची कावला तुम्हाला मी बाहेर काढलेले आहेत. You have left them. You have left them wander. Now they are wandering here and there in my fields. Who was wandering? Greedy cows. Whose cows? Husband and wife's cow. These greedy cows are wandering here and there in my fields. They are eating my crops. Who is eating my crops? Greedy cows. Greedy cows are eating the crops, and therefore they have ruined my field, beans and cucumbers. Beans and cucumbers field they have damaged. Ruin its meaning is a damage. Ruin its meaning is a damage. Means who said that? Who make the field damage? Greedy cows. Whose greedy cows? Husband and wife's cows. Whose cows? Husband and wife's cows make my field damage. That field was a beans and cucumbers. Beans and cucumbers field had damage. Who said that? Gopal Bhatt. Who said that? Gopal Bhatt. Listen, in this 4 paragraph we discussed that means both are quarreling, related the manner, related the topic. That topic was a milk, butter and ghee. The next time his quarreling is a big quarreling, then both are shouted each other. After that, one person, that person was a Gopal Bhatt. He came there and he said that your greedy cows ruin my field, beans and cucumber. Previous topic we discussed that about the milk, ghee and butter, and 2 persons are quarreling. Husband and wife both are quarreling. That time Gopal Bhatt, he had adjusted 2 persons, and then he said that, but you don't have a field of beans and cucumber, said the husband. This husband said that you have no field, but you are saying that why are you sending all these things in this field? As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhatt stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with a raised eyebrow. Listen, as soon as he said that, Gopal Bhatt stopped wielding the sticks. He had stopped moving the sticks. He had stopped moving the sticks and said that, looked at him with a raised eyebrow. He was looking with an angrily manner to Gopal Bhatt. Who looked angrily manner? Husband looked angrily manner. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. This husband and wife both are understood that why he was saying that greedy, you have a greedy cows, your greedy cows make my field very damaged. Who said that? Gopal Bhatt said that. But that is the main reason to say that. He said that, can you tell what he wanted to say? Why he said that greedy cows are eating these all crops in my field and my field will become a damage by your greedy cows. Why I said? Because both are quarreling. Husband and wife both are quarreling to each other. Therefore, for stopping the discussion, he said that your greedy cows are eating the crops or your greedy cows make the damage my field. In this way, we discuss this lesson, daydream lessons. We discuss this lesson, daydreams, and that dreams was only business. And through the business, we will earn the money. Through the business, we will earn the money and our family will become happy. That is a dreams. But both the thinking process is a different. Both the thinking is a different, and therefore they are quarreling. And after the quarreling, one person they solve this problem. That name was a Gopal Bhatt. In this way, we learn the lesson. Tomorrow you will write all the questions answer. If some questions problem, then you will ask me. I will give the answer. Thank you so very much.